Good Tuesday morning, everyone. I hope everyone had a great Monday. Today is Travel Tuesday, so make sure you are ready to share where you traveled to at 8:30. After Spanish, we will meet to work on our end of year project. For those of you that have finished it, I will assign you an IXL grammar and mechanics assignment using commas as well as capitalization. At 10:45, we will have time practice. I will take my group and you will go into your breakout rooms. And at 11:45, we will come together and think of questions, write down questions you may have to ask the fifth grade teachers. They will look at these questions in order for us to be able to meet with them on Thursday so that they can answer your questions. Okay, so 11:45, we will come together to write down a list of any questions you may have concerning fifth grade. I will give these questions to the fifth grade teacher, and we will be meeting at 10:20, I believe, on Thursday. I will verify that time with you. All right, let's make it a great Tuesday, and I'll see you guys at 8:30.